Hello, I'm ANEKA from Made to Sew and welcome to today's What Is tutorial. In this What Is tutorial, I'm going to be explaining the words truing or to true something. And these are pattern cutting terms that are generally used when you're drafting your own patterns or when you are making amendments to an already existing pattern. So what does truing or to true something mean? They mean checking that stitching lines match and that the garment can be sewn together, checking that a sleeve can be inserted into an armhole. Also checking design details such as darts. Do the dart legs measure the same amount? Truing the dart so that when the dart is pressed, it is sitting in the correct position to lie flat in the garment. And making sure that all shapes are nice and smooth, or as you design them to be. So when do you need to true something? If you're drafting your own patterns from a block or a sloper, you will need to complete the truing process of all seams, darts and details that you have designed on the pattern prior to making up the real thing. You need to check that what you have drafted will actually sew together. However, if you are making an amendment to an already existing pattern, you will need to true the seams, darts, any details if you make any changes to that pattern. And the changes can be small. It might be that you decide to grade between sizes over the bust, waist and hip because your individual measurements don't fit into one size. You may find that the pattern doesn't actually come in your size, so you decide to grade up or grade down. You will then need to true the seams to check that they will sew together. If you make amendments to the lengthening and shortening lines, perhaps you make a full bust adjustment, you amend the shoulder, you change the position of the dart. There are so many things that you can alter in a pattern, and when you alter them, you do need to make sure that you complete the truing process. I promise it will make it easier when it comes to actually sewing the garment together, and it all sews together well. So how do you actually true something? Well, I'm going to be launching 2 other videos this week. One is going to show you how to true darts, and the following one is going to show you how to true a standard seam. There are a couple of different methods that you can use, but the key one is to measure the length of the dart legs, measure the length of the seams, and check that they are the same. You can also what's called walk the seams together, which is a method that I will often use, and I will show you in my how-to tutorial. So I hope this has cleared up another part of sewing terminology and that you understand the term truing and when you would need to use it in your own pattern drafting or amendments to any patterns that you are making. Thanks for watching and see you soon.